Hello and welcome to the channel. Today on Dime Night with Dell, we're having a look at this little parcel. It's from Amazon and it's a toolkit that I ordered specifically for a particular tool in this one to help straighten up your beads. So I thought I'd open this up one today and have a look through with you guys. So I haven't looked through this yet myself, but you can see there we've got an instructions sheet. It's all stacked in this little rather large zip bag. We've got the company name there. So here we go. We have the instructions on how to use. And this is the tool that I was looking for, is the flathead pen, and that's helped to line up your beads and make it nice and straight in rows. So that was my main goal for buying this particular kit, as it's just single-sided, simple enough instructions there, and some pictures to guide you through the thing. You have, let's say, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 6 and a 1 to 9 large tool there to press in your beads in large areas, and the reverse is the flathead, which is for the straightening tool. So there you have it. Let's have a look what else we've got in this one. There we go. There we go. We've got a lot of pens in there. We also have one of these containers, which are quite handy for when I take my diamond art project with me, which I do on occasion. So a smaller project sometimes I like to take with me, so these will be a great little box for that. It has a large box, and inside each one of these is these little containers. There's 4 each, having an individual lid and seals for each colour, and they just all put there in there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. So yeah, so 74. So that'll cover a lot of kits will have that amount of colours. There is ones, of course, with more than that, but for some of the special arts type projects, that's going to be handy. We also in here have a rather large boat, an orange boat. I don't have one like that. They've got rather high sides on those too. That'll be good to sort them out. Sort out your beads. Okay. Okay, yeah. Labels. And they've got like a really lot of foam backing. I was trying to peel one of these, so I think open up, or there's a couple of layers there of them. There you go. Just labels. My goodness. My goodness. Look at all that wax. Oh my goodness. Plenty of wax. Lots and lots and lots and lots of wax there. Don't think I'll ever go through all the wax I have, but there you go, there's some more. Also has a little green boat. One of these very handy pouring trays. I quite like these. I use these probably the most. I have a rather large one of these as well. It's very handy for big areas. But yeah, they're one of my favourite trays, so it's really handy to have. And one of these little side trays. I haven't got one of these, so that'll be interesting. Supposed to clip on the edge there with those. The tool goes on in there. So, pen tool. Oh yeah. We'll probably use that somewhere along the line. And more your classic type basic label. There, and you've got 4 sheets of those, so that's always handy, especially on those. Okay, so let's have a look at all the pens we are going to have in here. So let's sort through them. We've got 2 pairs of the black tweezers. Don't often use them. We have a standard with a 3 placer. These are quite useful. Another just standard placer with a, they say these were 1 to 9 basically, weren't they? 6 more looks like, but anyway. That one there. And the one with a bit smaller again, so your medium size. And then we get into this one here. We've got just a large and medium sort of end, both ends, so you can switch through back and forth. That's just that's a solid piece that doesn't come apart like the other ones will. And then we're getting down to the real thing I bought this for. So here we have 3 applicator pens going through the 3 main sizes. And on the other end of these, we have those flathead pen. These are the ones we're looking for to use to straighten all them rows. And that's basically why I bought this whole thing. There you are. So you got 3 on those. They stay in there, I think. Oh no, they do come out. There you go. Well, they do now. If they don't, they go back in. And we have these ones, which are a clear plastic, and they got some glitter. There's that glittery sparkle through those. And we have 3 large ends, and then the other end side has a couple of smaller sizes there. So you got your 3, 5 and to 9 on that side. That's a lot smaller. That's your to that end. There you go. So multiple sizes there, and you'll use that to straighten your rows. Well, there you have it, guys. There's a great little kit there. I think that was approximately $15 on Amazon. You get you a lot of really interesting tools, some bigger trays, lots more rocks, all that. So there you go. That's my little extra bonus kit. I hope you enjoyed having a look through that with me. And bed your life beautiful with diamond art. Have a great day, guys.